Ayodhya Resort here in Nosa Dua. Sobrang laki ng reception area. So this one is Ayodhya Palace. If you're going to stay here in Ayodhya Palace, wala ka nang gagastusin actually. Breakfast, afternoon tea, and evening cocktail. So, kasama na yan sa package. So, this is our room for the entire stay.
Thank you very much.
Nare-replenish every day to. So, yung mini bar mo is, you can drink all you can. Bed. Guys! Super nice ang aming room. 2,800 pesos or $50 for 4 days, 3 nights. Ayodhya Resort here in Nosa Dua. So, dito kami mag-stay for the rest of our vacation here sa Bali. And of course, we're going to show you kung anong meron ng Ayodhya. And malalaman nyo rin kung magkano namin na-purchase ito for 4 days, 3 nights. See you later! Okay, so pasok tayo. Tingnan natin. It's 9 to 10. Reception area. So, baka may okay naman yung weather, mahangin. Unlike sa Manila na talagang so, may transportation for yung taxi kita. Changer. And hi! Good morning. We have a reservation.
Palace lobby to pick you up. You can
Okay. Thank you.
This is for the passport.
Okay, thank you. So, ang booking natin. Thank you. So, ang booking natin is sa Palace. So guys, I will let you know how much we spent for this 4 days, 3 nights stay here in Nosa Dua. And we got upgraded from a normal suite, Palace suite na kami. So this one is Ayodhya Palace. Thank you. Hi! Actually, maraming benefits dito sa palace natin. Reception area and a towel. Thank you. Oh, it's so cold. So, may pa-towel. Any? I think outside. Okay, we're going to have breakfast. Hi, good morning. Thank you. Saan tayo, Han? Here?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. If you're going to stay here in Ayodhya Palace, wala ka nang gagastusin actually. Breakfast, afternoon tea, and evening cocktail. So, kasama na yan sa package. So, ngayon kasi maaga kami nag-check-in, may free breakfast na rin na ibibigay kahit na hindi siya inclusive dun sa ano namin, sa package namin. So, let's go! Let's check the breakfast. First breakfast upon arrival, free na to actually. Finree na nila. Yung buong stay mo dito, parang may food ka na.
Wala ka naiintindihan.
If it's Ayodhya Palace, ha, wala ka naiintindihan kasi they have breakfast and then they have afternoon tea and then they have cocktails.
Evening cocktails.
Yeah, evening cocktails. So, yung whole time, so, kung hindi ka naman pigging out, sobrang okay na. As in, so for the entire 4 days, ganun yung magiging system. So, kumbaga wala ka na talaga iintindihin in terms of the
Pahinga
food.
lang talaga.
Yeah, oo. And, dito sa area na to, sobrang relaxing lang talaga. At saka ang lakas ng hangin, malamig. Parang, yun.
Pakita mo yung beach front.
Tapos, ayun yung beachfront.
Sobrang ganda.
Tadam! Ayan. Mamaya titignan natin kung ano. Nakuha namin sa Travel Expo. We'll explain later kung magkano nakuha namin and kung paano namin siya nakuha. May chance din kayo ma-experience ito. Diba? So, stay tuned. So, stay tuned para malaman kung paano. See you later. Bye-bye! Please, welcome. Thank you. So, this is our room for the entire stay.
Put one here for the light, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you.
CR.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is the minibar here, yeah?
Okay.
Minibar every day will be refilled.
Okay.
Okay.
Coffee facilities, fruit on arrival will be
Okay.
refreshed every day.
Thank you. So, this is the
Yeah,
room.
you can put your clothes here
Okay.
and bathroom. There is any bottle opener if you need open something.
Okay.
Yeah. For the hotel information, you can scan our barcode.
Okay.
So, our view is...
Garden view.
Let's check. Ay, sorry.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Thank you. Mm. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, so ito atin din. For room, palace room ito. So, 2 CRs. This one here. Kompletong CR din. Okay. Okay, just the powder room, I guess. And then, as mentioned kanina, nare-replenish every day to. So, yung minibar mo is, you can drink all you can. Something like that. Okay. This is our sala. Kainan. And then, there's a lounge sofa area there. May TV dito. And then, yung fruits nare-replenish din daw every day. There's sofa. Ayan. So, if you have some business things to do, merong service din na nakalagay. We have balcony here, which is connecting also there. And then, this is our room. Ayan. We have, gusto ko yung ano nila. Yung view natin. Kasi ano yan, sa gabi maliwanag. Yeah, oo. And then, our bed. Laundry per kilo. Okay, we are entitled to a laundry. Diba sabi niya parang entitled tayo for a laundry?
4 pieces.
4 pieces per day. So, yun ang aming kama. And then, wardrobe area, of course. There are bathrobes. May slippers, of course. And then, yeah, oo. And then, ang kanilang plancha. And of course, here is our CR. May bathtub. Yeah. Merong headrest. Okay. May bidet. And this. Okay, may laundry area na din. And of course, ito yung shower area. So, ayan. May mga toiletries na rin nakasama. Super okay. Ito naman yung kanilang mga activities. Ayan, no, nandito sa, sa TV. And what else? Ayan, super laki ng aming room. It's palace, sweet room. Parang ganun. Ay, may mga, rin, no, cookies.
Oo nga.
So, ito. May banana, may ano to? Dalandan. Apple. Dragon fruit, and this one. At may mga cookies din which nare-replenish. So, mega upo na siya. Hi guys! Super nice ang aming room for the entire 4 days here in Bali. Super okay. Not hyping it, but then, it's really big for the two of us. See? Sobrang laki. At dalawa pa ang TV, so kung hindi kayo nagkakasundo sa TV, pwede kayo Our room is Jambawan Suite. So, second level here in Ayodhya. May yoga, complimentary.
Tuesday and Friday. Near Infinity Pool.
Okay, dito sa Ayodhya Lounge, lahat ng mga activities. And this is also the access papunta sa beach. It's already 3:30. So, meron silang sinaserve dito na afternoon tea. Ayan, nakuha ko na. Sobrang sulit talaga dito, guys. As in, like, wala ka nangahanapin pa. Hi guys, so here's what I'm talking about in terms of the voucher that we bought here sa Nusa Dua. It's just amounting to 2,800 pesos or $50 for 4 days, 3 nights here in Ayodhya, Nusa Dua. So, nabili namin to sa Travel Expo last Feb na inattend na namin sa SMX and binook na namin, okay? So, with free airport transfer na yun, return to and from, and then ano tawag dito, na-upgrade kasi kami, supposed to be villa lang siya, parang high-end na rin actually na room, pero na-upgrade pa kami into palace. So there's a big difference in terms of the Ayodhya Resort and Ayodhya Palace. Parang si Ayodhya Palace yung pinaka pang VIP nila, parang gano'n na wherein lahat ng kakainin mo free. Okay, they have free breakfast, meron din silang free meron din silang afternoon tea, meron din silang cocktail tuwing 6 to Parang pa yung cocktail na 6 to 9?
Oo. Evening
6 to 9 evening cocktail. So, and then after which, lahat ng laman ng ref mo, you can consume it all. May free fruits. Everyday nire-refill nila yun, and mga cookies. Everyday din yun nire-refill nila. So, pati water. Yung water nila is parang Evian. Sobrang social actually. So, I guess we're not gonna do some more activities kasi dito pa lang. Parang sayang naman kung hindi mo susulitin yung amenities or yung privileges na bibigay nila sa'yo dito or binibigay nila sa'yo dito. Plus, the room is very comfy. Malinis din yung kwarto. Malaki yung CR, malaki yung kama, maraming couch, dalawa yung TV. I mean, you know, you couldn't ask for more. So, sobrang best deal talaga to. As in, like, if you wanna go back here, we're going to stay here in Ayodhya. But of course, we're going to also feature some other hotels kung sisipagin kami. Kasi sabi dito sa weather, for 4 days ngayon is more on maulan. Pero actually ngayon makulimlim lang eh. So, okay yung weather. So, ito yung beach sand sa sa Dua. So, if you want to experience the quiet side of Bali, go here sa Dua area. Sobrang tahimik. Tapos ang hangin. Hindi naman ganun kainit. Supposed to be nakita namin sa weather. It should be raining today until 4 days ng buong stay namin. Pero thank God naman at hindi naman. So, ayan. This is where we are staying sa Ayodhya. It's a 5-star resort here in Nusa Dua. Okay, we're going down. Tignan natin yung hotel by night. 6 p.m. na. Dami naka-check-in eh, no? Puno nga eh. Hi guys, good evening. So, ngayong gabi naman, ang available nila is yung mga cocktails. So, tignan natin kung ano-ano yung mga available. May mga wines. Cheese.
Pwede ba yun? O hindi
I don't know. So guys, kasama rin to sa perks na cocktail, mocktail, dami, wine and all. Gusto ko yung batch ng ating I requested for apple juice kasi hindi man ako umiinom. Ayan. So, sky's the limit.
Here.
Diba?
Cheers.
Parang liempo yan, ano?
Sarap nga may tayo.
Pork belly. Okay.
Anong ano? Paano yung sound system?
Up in me. Gotcha.
Imagine
Now we're
guys,
just gonna have to turn up the charm.
free
Let's go get him a
movie
hit.
night.
I think
Kapag may
maybe
mga
it's
bata
safer for you
kayo
to stay
kasama.
here on the boat.
What?
Nice.
Without you, we can't.
May mini golf, may
See
billiards.
your faces.
Oo, ano?
Send them my way. You got it.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to our channel, Eat, Pray, Love, Travel. And we are going to our breakfast area sa Ayodhya Palace Lounge. So, tingnan natin kung nag-iba yung breakfast nila ngayon compared kahapon. See you later. So, dito sa Ayodhya Lounge, ang kanilang breakfast, afternoon tea, and
Dinner cocktail.
dinner cocktails. Ayan. Of course, pagpasok mo, mga bread available na. Ay, sana nandito yung... Ayun! Ang sarap nitong bread na ito. This one, super. Honey maple syrup Danish. Sarap Danish. Pareho din ang kahapon. Morning. Okay. Potato. Tomato with herbs. Mukhang pareho din. Pero actually, masarap naman. Pork bacon. Beef. Sausage. Baked bean. Boiled egg. Chicken porridge. Clear soup chicken. Try din natin ito. Veggies. Stir fry veg. Ito. Ito. Steam coconut rice. So, iba siya. So, this is their entire area. Green bean porridge. Oops. Green bean porridge and cornstarch cake. Maha blanca ata. And then, meron silang mga morning squeeze juice. Curious of coffee. Do you have hot chocolate? Hot chocolate? Oh, you have? Okay. One also. Yeah, thank you.
My pleasure.
Doing Southeast Asia?
We live in Australia, Western Australia. We're originally English, of course.
So, yung mga breakfast nila, yung iba same kahapon, pero yung iba siya, syempre, diba? And may hot choco, han. I ordered hot choco. This is our second day, pero actually kahapon, kahit 5, wala kaming ginastos. Like, though we stayed lang kasi dito dahil kakarating lang namin kahapon, pero yun nga, sobrang gandang experience, like, Kasi yung dinner cocktails mo, actually, for those who are really into drinking, sobrang
May kompleto. May wine, may beer. Lahat.
May wine, may beer, may
Tapos
cocktails,
lahat ng pulutan mo, lahat ng pika-pika.
lahat ng pulutan mo, meron na rin dito, available na. So, sobrang best deal. Super okay. As in, kung babalik kami dito, yes, so, babalik kami dito.
Pero kung ano
Pero
ulit,
kung same
rate.
offer. Okay.
So alam nyo na guys, abangan nyo na yung Travel Expo. Madami kayo pwede palang makuha doon.
Kailangan always nyong abangan yung Travel Expo kasi talagang marami kayong makukuha doon. Before din kasi, nung napunta kami doon, we got our red coconut.
Red coconut.
Yeah, red
sa Boracay na.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
This entire vacation na ito and privileges we avail for only 2,800 pesos or $50 US.
4 days, 3 nights.
4 days, 3 nights sa Travel Expo sa Club Windham. So, abangan nyo si Club Windham kasi nagpa-participate yan sa mga Travel Expos.
Diba,
Pero bihira lang.
428, 4 days, 3 nights, buffet, afternoon,
breakfast
afternoon
buffet,
tea.
kasama na lahat. And actually, ganito. The scenario is that yung 2.8 na yon, 4 days, 3 nights na yon sa 5-star hotel dito sa Ayodhya Resort sa Nusa Dua. Pero nung binook namin siya, actually, lang siya garden villa. Parang garden suite. Garden suite lang talaga yung intended doon. Kaya lang, sobrang swerte lang talaga na nung binook namin siya, fully book siya, in-upgrade kami sa Ayodhya Palace. Dito kami napunta. So, ito yung parang VIP area nila. Exclusive to. Hindi siya nakamix sa Ayodhya Resort mismo. So, lahat
separate yung access.
Lahat din ng privileges is kasama na. Club benefits ang tawag ata nila doon. Parang
Pati separate.
Okay, we got this. And this. At ang aking hot choco. Diba? Special pa yung hot choco. Then, porridge. Cappuccino. And our view. guys, we are done with our afternoon tea. Pang second na to. Papanik na kami sa room. Pagpanik mo naman sa room, kakain ka ulit because maraming magkain available doon. So they have everyday supply of fruits and mga cookies. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Bago na. Uy, bago na naman si. Oh, see what I told you. At meron na namang cookies. Ang sarap ng cookies nila eh. Okay, we're going to check the drinks kung na-refill nila. Yeah, we have free drinks again. See? So, kinuha na namin kasi kahapon yun. So, we're gonna drink this water. Mamayang gabi na yung mga super nice talaga. As in like, this is what you call privileges. Privileges in life. Diba? Pinalitan din ba nila or inayos lang?
Pinalitan? Pakuha mo yun para mag-laundry natin.
Tinanong natin kung kinuha nila. Hindi naman.
Ano ka?
Hindi nila inalo. Okay. That's it. Kakain muna ako ng fruits. See you later! Bye! Thank you.
Can we get the
Pizza margarita. And chicken noodle.
big N? Kasi nakibigin yung sentence eh. Puhulaan ko na lang ba?
Okay.
Talaga. Thank you. Thank you.
It's our second night for the... Ay, baka sa kanila mo ipaano. It's unlimited wine here. Happy hour. Grabe nagdaan. Unlimited beer. Unlimited cocktail. Iba-iba na. So, smoked salmon sila ngayon. Veg.
Vegetables.
I love our ship.
Wow. Elemental.
Grissini. Elemental. And black rice pudding.
What's that?
Black rice. Ano sweets? Pumpkin cake. So guys, dahil tapos na kaming kumain na sa kabila ng chicken.
Cheers.
Ay, ng chicken and pizza. So lumipat kami dito for the happy hour. Ayun po. Magka-cafe latte ako. Iced. So siya na wine. So this is unlimited also. Lattes. Perfect. Okay, oo nga. Iced coffee I ordered. I should have ordered for the longest time. And then, this is their cocktail. Wine, of course.
Wine and cheese.
Cheese. Ako kumuha ako ng sweets because kumain na kami sa kabila. Cake. Salmon. Titikman ko din. Kanilang pudding. Something like that. So, ang sarap na iced coffee. Let's eat!
Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and of course hit the notification bell to keep you updated. And please do watch out for our upcoming video for our Bali trip this 2024. Bye!